Ready?
Yep.
Oh, jeez.
Join me on a drive in the incredible Lucid Air Sapphire in the mountains in upstate New York with a special guest, Dave McQuillin, on this media drive with Lucid Motors. And apologies ahead for our short video with the GoPros not enjoying the heat of today.
All right, cool. So Lucid Air Sapphire up in the mountains. Let's head off. We're still in Sapphire mode too.
Oh, you can do launch control.
There we go.
Cyclist.
One cyclist on that side. Yeah, it feels so much more planted than the Grand Touring. I think I'm gonna hop in the Pure afterwards and see how that feels.
I drove the Pure up here and I had it for like a week.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, you've got it well used to it though.
The annoying thing is I don't think they're ever going to send this out. I don't think there's enough of them to do.
Yeah, I don't think so. They're building them in such like low volume.
I'd love it for like a week though or something.
Yeah, that would be incredible. The worst thing is I don't know if people would even know that it's like that different of a car than the regular Air. I think visually off the first bat.
I mean, I thought the Air was faster, but this is ridiculous.
No, this is ridiculous. Like it's just planted on every piece of road you're on. You could do a launch probably up this hill and it'd still be a 2 seconds.
That's where the torque comes in handy as well.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Did they release a figure for the torque?
Oh, they 100% did, but
I can't remember it either. It's probably up there, 900, 800, 1,000.
I'm sure somebody will know when we get back.
Oh yeah. And then in smooth mode.
I see you doing it gently.
Oh my gosh, it feels like just the regular. This feels so much calmer. Swift unlocks a little more thrust. Sapphire and then this track mode's scary. Yeah, that's crazy. The only thing that could result out of this is your lunch coming up, but
sorry, I ate late. I'm actually gonna anchor myself in the seat now. You're gonna knock yourself out with the camera.
No, you think?
Maybe.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, jeez. That's nuts.
That initial punch in the back.
It's like instant. I mean, at least it's putting down its power well.
Yeah.
Like very well.
I mean, I was pressing myself back in my seat then.
Yeah.
It's like,
I had to like hold on to the wheel.
I don't know. Well, obviously it's down to 0, but I don't know what it gets to in that split second. But you might essentially be getting hit in the back at like 10 miles an hour or something.
Yeah. If you're not like prepared for that launch,
yeah,
you're flying back.
I was prepared. I was pressing back into my seat now.
Exactly, and you're still feeling it.
Yeah.
I think.
I'm lost. Oh, yeah, you're right.
You think? Yeah, alright, cool. I mean, like, what gas car could... I mean, obviously there's many that can kind of match this and exceed the performance, but that I was able to fit 4 or 5 people in it.
Not sure.
I honestly can't think of anything off the top of my head. I mean, anything that comes... I guess if you go... Model S Plaid.
Yeah.
If you're going into the hypercar territory, that... what is it? The Jamera? Koenigsegg?
Oh, yeah.
That's just on a whole other level of crazy.
Like I was saying earlier though, it's always more impressive when somebody does this with a sedan. It's like why the M5.
Exactly. Yeah, the new M5 is going to be a monster too.
Yeah.
Plug-in hybrid stuff.
I think everybody's sort of like settling on hybrids now because, you know.
Oh, it looks like it, yeah.
The torque's useful, the extra horsepower is useful. You still get all the fun of electric. Sorry, of an ICE engine.
Yeah, exactly. I think they're getting better at managing like what to do with the battery pack because it's sitting there. Is it going to be used for performance? It's going to be used for efficiency.
What have you got coming out? Is it a V16?
Oh my god, it's crazy. And now they say like you know the electric sales are so low that Rimaac's going to be probably doing a hybrid for their next car too.
Yeah.
Probably similar powertrain to whatever's in that Bugatti.
Well, I mean, Aston's came out and said they're not dumping the V12.
Yeah, but they're having a car based off this.
They are.
Which is, I can't imagine what that's going to be like.
I think everybody's making the right choice because it's still going to have electric, but
Yeah, that's
I think when you get to performance, there's no point in dumping
There's no
combustion
point.
engines. 'Cause,
No.
Yeah,
There's a thrill there. I mean, this is like incredible.
yeah,
But
that might be a dead bad.
oh yeah, I don't see anything there.
There's nothing left to see.
Exactly. Normally, if you hit a bug, it splatters. This one, it just disappears in 2 seconds. Not even a second. Less than a second. Yeah, I always say like BMW. I feel like BMW is doing it well. They have like both EVs, good EVs and good gas cars on like same platform, saving money on their own end.
Their electric sales are going great as well.
Yeah, they got strong sales.
Yeah, like last year. God, do you remember do you remember that Dodge Daytona concept with the electric exhaust?
Yeah, the Fratsonic exhaust
why?
system. I don't know.
I genuinely don't mind EVs being silent. I love engine noise like the next man, but
Yeah.
I think it's a left.
Well, that was the Ioniq 5N's got that too.
Yeah, well, most of them do. Maserati's got like 14 speakers throughout the cabin or something. Pipe engine
What are
noises.
they? They're Folgore?
Yeah, the Folgores are the electric ones.
Yeah.
So they've got a Folgore version of everything now, I think.
That's kind of cool.
Well, all the performance stuff anyway.
Yeah.
And the Grecale.
Have you've been in one of those new Gran Turismos, right?
Yeah, you've been in the Gran Turismo,
haven't.
I've been in the Grecale, I've been in the Grecale Folgore and the Trofeo.
How are those?
You feel,
I've been in the Grecale. I haven't been in the
Yeah.
Gran Turismos.
oh, the Gran Turismo's great.
Yeah.
That's another one of those things that's pinned to the ground. But you know, they did such a good job with that V6.
Then the Tuno, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's on the Giorgio architecture, I think. But same with like the Giulia and the Stelvio. Like it's got good bones to go off of.
But yeah, they're replacing the Ferrari V8, so
Yeah.
you have to get that right.
Exactly. Have you gotten a chance in
No, I
the?
think we're still on the same right track.
Yeah, I know, but that road's fun.
Oh, right. That's the one you were thinking.
Yeah, earlier. You got a spin in the Gran Turismo Folgore, or just the V6, the Tuno?
Just the V6.
The Trofeo.
Well, the Gran Turismo Folgore has actually got about 150, 200 more horsepower,
Yeah, with the
which justifies it. Whereas the Grecale Folgore has got about 25 or 30 more, which the weight of it and everything. That
Exactly,
is
yeah.
more than anything.
yeah.
But it got Stellantis, in pretty much everybody's opinion.
Stellantis.
Yeah.
I agree.
Conversely, if I had to buy an SUV, I'd probably get the Grecale Trofeo.
Oh, it's
fantastic.
fun. Yeah, I remember when where I used to work, we used to have a Maserati Alpha dealer,
Yep.
which is now closed. But yeah, those Grecales are fun. It was a nice thing to see when they came out. It was refreshing.
Well, especially like when you slap it in Corsa mode or something.
Oh, yeah.
Sports car, you take it on a track. You know?
Yeah, it hunkers itself down pretty well.